Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with another security camera. This time it's from TP-Link, their newest Tapo C615F combo kit system. What does that kit stand for? It's not only the great security camera, which is a pan tilt zoom camera and a floodlight, it also comes with a solar panel. So this thing should operate completely independent. And if that really is the case, and if you really don't need any subscriptions like they claim on the package, we are here to find that out. And as always, a great product journey starts with a box.
And that's the box. So here you can see all the cool stuff that's happening inside of the box. 2K resolution, Tapo with solar panel, AI powered, wire-free installation. What do we have here? Content of the box, and at the back we see the floodlight in action. Smart, secure, easy. So let's get rid of that super reflective foil. And what do we have here? Okay, the nice little solar panel. Cool. Looks shiny and new. The great bracket. So TP-Link has a really cool bracket going on here, but you will see later. Here we have some installation helpers to drill some holes if needed, but you don't need to drill holes. That's the cool thing about that mount. But as said, more to that later. We have here an extension cord for our solar panel, and here is the camera. Just embrace it. Let's take a closer look at the camera. You see the array with the motion sensor and all the different diodes on front of it, including the floodlight. At the back or at the bottom, you have the SD card slot, so the micro SD card slot, which is sadly not included in the package, but hey, we are talking about below 100 euro at that package, so I can live with that. Here you have the port for the power, so either way you can use just normally plugged in, or you use the solar panel, and the floodlight at front has a little bit of tilt possibilities. But let's take a look at that mounting bracket, because it's an all-in-one bracket. Right now you see the possibility to mount the solar panel also on the same bracket, but you can remove that and mount that separately, so you have two mounts in one. But yeah, let's go in the field and see how to do all of that. The greatest part, or at least for me in that journey, was that you really don't need any written or printed manual. You have seen the quick start guide in the box, but to be honest, you don't need that, because the app guides you really precise to every step of the process. So first things first, you need to charge the thing, best case inside of your house, and then just start the setup, connect it to your wireless network, and then you have everything you need to know will be displayed on the app. So I'm sorry here, I didn't thought it through. My screen text is German right here, but I will explain every step, so don't worry. Long story short, great explanation for everything in the app. So you can see here also recommended, take the cam outside once you connected it to the wireless network and go to the spot where you mount it and check in the app if you have strong enough wireless connection there at that spot. So if that's done, you can go and mount that thing. And also the mounting possibilities are well explained in the app. So don't worry if you have never installed a security camera or a motion sensor. This thing will guide you through all the best places for that stuff. Even also for the solar panel. It tells you which direction it should head and where's the best spot maybe in your garden. In our case, we now have autumn here, so we are not blessed with daylight these days. But that's not a problem either. They claim that you only need 45 minutes a day of sunlight to charge the battery for an everyday use, or the battery will also last for up to 140 days with a full charge, and that is an impressive number. Of course, to be honest, couldn't test that. We had to get that video out sooner than 140 days, but that's an impressive claim, and I know that many people out there are also interested in cameras that just only run on battery, so you can mount it in places where you don't have sunlight. So that said, let's get on with the installation and test that thing. You can even choose the preferred mounting possibilities, so you will only get the mounting instructions for your use case. In our case, we will mount it on a pole, because as you've seen in the unboxing, there's also some cable straps included in the box. Sadly, a little bit short, but who cares? You have cable straps at home. And let's mount that solar panel on top, which is really easy. Just snaps right in, Same goes for the whole camera setup. And then we are close to done. We can then just check if the angle is right for our motion detection. Here we have the possibility the light will flash as soon as it will recognize me. As you see, perfect. I nailed it on the first try. So you can once again check, is the wireless connection great at the spot, but then you are ready to go. And then you can just enjoy the live view of your, the position of your camera. And you can see immediately you can control that camera array, or you will have a coverage of 360 degrees. And hello there, first impression of the camera quality. Looks fine for me. Then of course the great selling point is the offline AI tracking. What does offline mean? So it means it doesn't need any cloud or internet connection for it to work. And as you can see here, I just chose persons to track so we don't get any alarms or false alarms when an animal crosses or something like that. And also we don't have any cars here, so we don't need that. So I only want to have people to be recognized by the camera system. And then, of course, I also configured, because it's a floodlight combination, I configured just for testing purposes so that you have floodlight the whole day long, just for testing purposes, so that you can see it in the video more easily, that the camera recognizes any motion, the light will go on, and of course, it tracks me perfectly. Really cool. And here you see it from the camera POV. So also here, very smooth movement. And you can see it not only pans, it also tilts. Of course, it's a pan tilt camera. And that is some impressive performance, especially for that price point. I mean, come on, just look at that thing. Below 100 euros, I still can't believe it. And here I wanted to show you that it really can cover up to 360 degrees. We go from one end to the other, and no problem at all. So you see great performances here. So, but what about that no subscription banner on the front of the packaging? You really don't need any subscription at all. Of course, they offer one, but you don't need it. This thing works right out of the box, and as you've seen it, without any cable, so really that hassle-free installation is also true, and all your data gets stored on the SD card on that device, or you record it right in the app, then it gets transferred right on your smartphone. So for me, there's only one thing missing right now, and that's how is the actually floodlight performance. So does it work if you have no lights at all in your yard, in your garage, whatever, and you come at night and it's already dark? Will it illuminate enough? And definitely it does. As you can see here, everything is well lit, and you can see it. Look at my shadow behind me. So that's really a harsh shadow coming from the light, from the floodlight. And so that's really impressive, I would say. And that's about it from my side about the Tapo C615F from TP-Link. As you've seen, solid performance across all fields, so nothing really to complain here from my side. So if you didn't like anything, really just drop us a comment below and tell us what you didn't like. But of course we want to hear, what do you like about the Tapo, or what do you wish for another camera, or are you planning on getting one? If you're planning on getting one, check out the description below to find all the information you need about that little camera we didn't cover in that video maybe, or maybe you even find a discount code. I'm not sure at the moment. Either way, check out the description below. There you find everything you need, and otherwise drop us a comment, ask for anything, tell us how is your lives going, and so long I wish you a beautiful day. And if you liked that video as much as I liked that camera, give it a thumbs up, follow the channel, and hit the bell button so we can see each other next time. So long, I wish you a beautiful day, and bye bye.